Well, it's moving day here in Waco. It's like 11:30. Just got a haircut this morning. Carson's working on his homework. Mama's getting ready to pack up. Tegan's doing a super duper clean on her bed. Mo's lying down. There's white caps on the lake, and the wind is blowing like mad out there, so that's our cue to go. We're gonna head down to Houston and see what's going on down there. I'm kind of excited to go to Houston. So we'll get packed up and we'll hit the road. Yeah, it's blowing pretty good. We're gonna go get packed up and get the heck out of here. Fresh water in the tank, just in case we have to use the bathroom along the way or anything like that, or if we get stranded in some sort of emergency, we have water. I'm not going to fill it up because the next place we're going to has full hookups. I'm just going to put a little bit in just in case.
Oh, it's windy out there, isn't it, you guys?
Yep, it's too windy.
We got some of that firewood. Those larvas can come get you.
Carson's really afraid of firewood for some reason.
He's what?
He's afraid of firewood.
Thanks.
Oh, Dad's hair is messed up now. Poor thing.
Yeah, my new haircut.
She was like, this campground?
Yeah.
What'd you like about it?
Everything. I like that it's next to a lake.
You like what?
I like that it's next to a lake.
Yeah, that's nice. Did we get the dog?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's just blending in with the mat.
No, the dog didn't get left behind, babe. Sorry.
maybe next time. Oh, there they go. Hey, off we go. Got a full tank of gas. Tire pressure's good. Oh, we don't have our destination and our navigation there.
What the heck?
Stand by. False start.
Like,
What'd you put in there, babe?
Just some essential oils.
What flavor?
Serenity.
Oh, nice.
What are you listening to, Nan?
Taylor Swift.
Oh, Nan. What?
I can't hear myself.
Taylor Swift? What song?
I have no idea what it's called.
Oh, can you sing a little bit of it?
No,
How come?
because I don't sing. Nan can't sing.
She's a really good singer, though.
How do you know?
I've heard you when you were little.
I've heard her in the shower sing before.
I have too.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep. I think I have it on camera. Oh no, that was Sunny singing in the shower. He loves singing in the shower.
Sonny's a real good singer too.
Yeah, he is.
Thank you.
Are you guys having fun?
Yep. Maybe. What?
Are you having fun?
On these drives?
Right now.
No.
Why?
My head hurts and I'm not going to read.
Oh, Nan, are you out of dragon books?
No.
What's going on?
I forgot to grab it.
You forgot to grab your dragon book?
What? Like the 18th time you've read
You forgot to grab your dragon book?
it? The 18th time you've read it.
How many times have you read your dragon books?
It's probably like 15.
And what are they called?
Wings of Fire.
Wings of Fire?
Yeah.
And they're the best book. Would you recommend them to any other kids?
I don't know.
You don't know if you'd recommend them? Do you recommend them to grown-ups?
I don't know.
Do you recommend them to other teens?
Sure.
Tweens?
Sure.
Sunnies?
Sure.
Huh. Should I read the books?
What?
Should I read them?
Sure.
Okay.
Kind of destroyed.
Thanks for the recommendation, Nan.
You're welcome.
What are we gonna do with her, honey?
I can't wait till she's like 13.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be the worst.
Yes.
So, this evening we went to a couple stores to go shopping. Tegan needed a new bathing suit, and we needed some waterproof flip flops. So we did a little shopping, and then we got some dinner, and now we are at this really gigantic KOA that we'll probably show you over the next couple of days. But you want them to like our channel?
Yeah. Subscribe, like, comment, make nice comments now.
And most of all,
Don't dislike.
take a good one.